Good morning, children. Today we'll start with the new lesson of maths. Lesson number 9, geometry. Okay, today we'll learn about the shapes. See here, children, in the last class, in first standard, you have learned about names of the shapes. Yes, can you identify these shapes, children? This is a triangle. Yes, this is triangle. This is circle. This is square. Square has all four sides equal in length. Yes. And this is rectangle. Yes. The opposite sides of rectangle are equal in length. Yes. And this is oval. These shapes we all know, children. Yes. Triangle, circle, square, rectangle and oval. To match the shapes with their names. Okay, here they have given the shapes and here they have given the names of the shapes. We have to match the shape with their names. Okay, see children, this is a triangle. Yes, this is triangle. See where triangle is there. This is square, rectangle, oval, triangle and circle. This one is a triangle. Yes, this is A1. Yes, children, take a scale, use a scale and draw a line from this triangle shape to this word triangle. Okay, the remaining all you join with their names, join the shapes with their names and send. Okay, see children, in the shape, the lines, these lines, it is a rectangle. Yes, and this has four lines. Yes, this is 1 2 3 and 4. Yes, these lines in the shapes are called as sides. Okay, these are sides. 1 2 3 4. Rectangle has four sides. Yes, the lines in the shapes are called as sides, and where two lines joins to one point is called as vertex. Vertex is a point where two sides meet, where two lines meet at one point, and that point is called as vertex. Okay, if one is present, one point is present, then vertex. Here 1 2 3 and 4 points are present where two lines have joined. Yes, this and this line have joined in this point. Yes, this line and this line have joined in this point. Yes, and these two lines have joined in this point. Yes, these two lines have joined in this point. These points are called as vertices. Okay, if one is present, then vertex. More than two or more than two are present, then vertices. Okay, in singular it is vertex and in plural form vertices. Okay, see here children, this scale, it is, which shape it is? It is a rectangle shape. Yes, see here, this is one line, this is second, third and fourth line. Yes, and these lines are called sides. Yes, and the points where two lines meet is called vertices. Yes, and now this rectangle has four sides and four vertices. Yes, it has four sides and four vertices, and this scale is example for rectangle. Yes, now in the second exercise, they have given you to solve, count the vertices and the sides, fill in the blanks. Okay, here they have given the shapes. Yes, can you tell which shape is this? This is square. Yes, this is square, and all the four sides of square are equal in length. Yes, see here, now we have to count. A1, a square has dash sides. How many sides does square has? That we need to write here. A square has dash vertices. We need to count and write the sides and vertices of this square. Okay, let's count this. Children, sides means these lines. Okay, count the lines now. Okay, this is first line, this one is second line, this is third line, and this one is a fourth line in the square. So write here, a square has 4 sides. Okay, a square has 4 sides. Next, B1 is a square has dash vertices. Vertices means the point where 2 lines join. Okay, this is vertex, this is one vertex, this is second, third, and 4. So square has 4 vertices. Okay, it has 4 vertices. A square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Okay, and the all sides of a square are equal in length. Okay, these sides are, all the sides are equal in length. Now see the question. All dash sides of a square are of equal length. All 4 sides. How many sides it has? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So all 4 sides of a square are of equal length. All the 4 sides are equal in length. Okay, think that it is 5 centimeter. If it is, this length is 5 centimeter in a square, then this also 5 centimeter, this also 5 centimeter, and this one is also 5 centimeter in length. All 4 sides are of equal in length in a square. Now see the, this is rectangle. Yes, this is rectangle. Now we have to find out sides, vertices of rectangle. Okay, count the rectangle sides. Okay, sides means these lines. Yes, this is first line, this is second, this one is the third line, and this one is the fourth line. Yes, so how many sides it has? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, so rectangle has 4 sides. A rectangle has 4 sides. A rectangle has dash vertices. Count the vertices now, children. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has 4 vertices. A rectangle has 4 vertices. Now C1 is opposite sides are of equal length. Okay, see children, these opposite sides are of equal in length. These two are equal in length and these two are equal in length. Yes, this is opposite to this, and this one is opposite to this, and this one is opposite to this, vice versa. Yes, the opposite sides of rectangle are equal in length. Think that if it is, this line is 8 centimeter, then this line also 8 centimeter, and if this line is 2 centimeter, the opposite side it also has 2 centimeter. Okay, the opposite sides of rectangle are equal. These two are equal and these two are equal in length. But in a square, all 4 sides are equal in length. This you have to remember, children. Okay, now see here, this is triangle and this is also triangle only. Okay, now count. A triangle has dash sides, a triangle has dash vertices. Okay, now we have to find out the sides and vertices of triangle. Count the sides, how many sides it has. This is first, this is second, and this line is third, that is side. This is first side, this is second side, and this is third side. So a triangle has 3 sides. Okay, B1 is a triangle has dash vertices. How many vertices it has? This is the first point, this is second, and this is third. Yes, 3 points are present where 2 lines have joined. So a triangle has 3 vertices. Okay, a triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. And square and rectangle have 4 sides and 4 vertices both. Okay, now see, next C1, all the sides of a triangle may or may not be of the same length. In triangle, children, all the sides are of same length. Also it can be same length, it can have a same length, and it may not have a same length. Okay, see here in this picture, this is also a triangle and this is also a triangle. Yes, but here in this picture all the sides of triangle are same in length, but here this length is smaller and this length is, and this line is little longer than these two. Yes, a triangle may have all the sides equal in length or may not have sides equal in length. Okay, this triangle has all the sides equal in length and this triangle do not have all the sides of same length. Okay, this is circle, yes, and this is oval. Can you see the lines here, children? Lines and points. Can you see here? No. Yes, in both the shapes there is no side and no vertex. Okay, here no point is present and no lines also present. Circle and oval have only curved lines. Yes, this is a curved line. Yes, and this one is a curved line. Yes, when curved line joins, then only circle forms. Yes, but it has no straight lines and vertices also. No points are present in both the shapes and no sides also present in both the shapes. Okay, so a circle has 0 vertices and 0 sides. Okay, it has no vertices and no sides. Oval has 0 vertices and 0 sides. The oval also do not have vertices and sides. So an oval has 0 vertices and 0 sides. Now see the next exercise. Identify objects of the given shapes you see around yourself. Write their names. Okay, see children, what you have to do? We have to find the objects of the same shape. Okay, that is, we need to give examples for these shapes. This is square. Yes, this is square, and where you see the objects in this shape, which objects are in this shape, that we have to write here. Okay, children, you can see different objects in your home having the different shapes. Yes, we need to identify those objects and write their names here. Okay, this is square. Yes, if you know any objects or if you find any objects in this square shape, that we have to write here. Okay, that is examples for square we need to write here. Example for rectangle here, triangle, circle and oval we need to write. Now you need to write the names of the objects here which have square in shape. Okay, which are square in shape. Okay, for example, box, a square shaped box. Box is example for square. Yes, and compass is example for rectangle. Yes, and this is triangle. Your birthday cap is example for this triangle. Yes, birthday cap. And circle, roti, chapati are example for circle. Yes, write anyone. Write chapati here. Chapati is of circle in shape. Chapati is circle in shape. Yes, then oval. Egg is oval in shape. Yes, little bit oval in shape only. One side it is little small in size. Yes, but it is oval in shape. Okay, give again 2 example for each. Okay, write these examples and send me. Now see the second exercise. Next exercise, how many shapes of each kind can you see in the given design. They have given here one design. In this design we need to find out how many triangle it has, how many square it has, and how many circles the design has. Okay, now we'll start with the triangle first. Okay, count the triangles present in the given picture. Okay, see children, this is a inverted triangle. Yes, inverted triangle, that is ulta triangle. One triangle is present. Then find out again, this is second triangle, this is third triangle, this one is the fourth triangle. Yes, see again any triangle, no triangles are present, only 4 triangles are present here. So right here triangles are 4. Okay, now find out the square present. This is one square, it has only one square, this one is the square. Yes, and what about circle? How many circles are there? This one big one circle is there. So right here one circle it has. Okay, the design has 4 triangle, 1 square and 1 circle. Okay, now join the dots to create your own shapes. Children, here they have given the dots. What you need to do, you need to draw the shapes, any shapes having triangle, rectangle or circle in using these dots. Okay, for example, if I join these 4 dots, I will get a square. Yes, make a different designs using these dots. Okay, you have to make the shapes of triangle, rectangle, circle, oval and square. Okay, do this activity and send me. Okay, thank you.